ओके, और यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना कि तुम्हारा ये जाएगा, ये तुम्हारा ये तुम्हारा क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में मूव करेगा, ये तुम्हारा क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में मूव करेगा, तो ऑब्वियस है कि ड्रेन करेगा तो यहाँ से करेगा, ठीक है। तो ये तुम्हारा यहाँ से निकल रहा है ना, ये तुम्हारा सिंपल यहाँ लगेगा, ठीक है। इसको ऐसा रखो, ये खींचा और ये लगा दिया, ठीक है। अब जो ये चीज़ है ये तुम्हारा क्लॉकवाइज मूव करेगा, तो जो भी सैंपल है वो सक करके और सीधे यहाँ से निकल के तुम्हारे यहाँ पे ड्रेन आउट हो जाएगा।
वो ठीक है, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि अगर इसको यहाँ
नहीं कहीं भी रखो,
हाँ,
इट विल अप टू यू। देन दिस इज आवर सैंपल प्रोब ना,
sample tube, sample inlet tube.
You count this side.
दिस इज फॉर सैंपल एंड दिस इज फॉर
Internal standard.
इंटर स्टैंडर्ड। और अगर हम इफ वी आर नॉट यूजिंग इंटर स्टैंडर्ड देन वी कैन जस्ट put like this ना।
No, just that time you have to remove this, connect this, just take this out and connect that with this. Okay.
Okay.
This is the
तो
only.
इसके लिए क्या करें, इसको ये निकालें, वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस।
Yes, but actually it is a kind of a lock. Not a lock, you can pull it out.
This is for what, Arvind?
दिस इज फॉर सैंपल।
Sample injection.
हमने क्या किया था एक्चुअल में, हम इंटरनल स्टैंडर्ड्स पे भी कर रहे थे।
अच्छा।
फॉर द इंटरनल स्टैंडर्ड ही यूज दिस थ्री वे कनेक्टर। ओके, दिस इज एक मिनट, व्हाट विल डू?
No problem, just leave it.
But if I want to do only ICP-MS, then what I will do?
Actually,
only
what you can do is always start with the internal standard always, because you've seen that every time is fluctuating your results. So always maybe go with, from now onwards, go with always with the internal standard.
But standard,
Yes, it is available.
But
You can consider one of the
but
also.
those who want to run the standard, those who want to run their samples, they have to come up with their internal standards.
They are
no?
internal standards.
Okay.
At that time you will think.
ओके ओके ओके, बालक सुनो पहले, ये तुम्हारा दिस इज फॉर
Sample,
सैंपल,
red, yellow, red,
ठीक है।
yellow, red is the sample, and
this
this
is
is
for
for
the
the internal
internal
standard.
Now I have a question. Yes. Suppose instead of here, I put this line here.
No problem.
नो प्रॉब्लम।
अच्छा।
एक सेकंड, ये यहाँ पे वो ड्रॉ खोलो, इंटरनल स्टैंडर्ड की एक बॉटल होगी नीचे, निकालो।
इसमें
हाँ खोलो, बॉटल देखी, निकालो। जैसे बॉटल इंटरनल स्टैंडर्ड ना,
internal standard.
ला, ठीक है। ये सैंपल यहाँ पर तुम्हारा जो ये होगा, ये तुम्हारा इसमें जाएगा सैंपल, ठीक है, ठीक। ये तुम्हारा इंटरनल स्टैंडर्ड हुआ। देन और जो तुम्हारा ये होगा, एक मिनट, और जो ये तुम्हारा ये होगा,
Sample. This is for sample. It will go directly here, na?
दिस इज फॉर सैंपल, बट फॉर द ऑटो सैंपल वी विल कनेक्ट दिस ना, ठीक है।
Actually, some small tube will be available here. I think it is small.
ठीक है, तो
हाँ।
यहाँ से तुम्हारा ये ऑटो सैम्पलर से सैंपल लेगा, ठीक है।
ऑटो सैंपल कनेक्शन एक बार दिखा।
हाँ,
This is the auto sampler line, na? Whatever is connected from here. So
Yes,
you have
yes.
to connect this one to the auto sampler line.
we have done nothing this one।
This one is from auto sampler. We are just connecting
ठीक है।
this one.
यहाँ से तुम्हारा सैंपल लेगा, ठीक
हाँ,
है,
ठीक।
यहाँ से तुम्हारा इंटरनल स्टैंडर्ड लेगा, दोनों फिर कंबाइंड होकर तुम्हारा यहाँ पर जाएगा फॉर द एनालिसिस,
और यहाँ से ड्रेन होगा ना?
और यहाँ से सिंपल ड्रेन होगा। We don't have to connect this with this।
We have to connect this one, I guess. Yes.
These two
Both the tubes should be
कनेक्टेड
connected.
है ना ऑपोजिट।
देखो कैसे कनेक्ट हो रहा है वो वाला वीडियो करो किस तरफ से।
This way, no? This way, because it will go anti-clockwise direction। हाँ हाँ,
This way.
नो मैन, इट विल,
Okay, okay,
हाँ, इट विल रोटेट क्लॉकवाइज ना, तो ये इसको एंटी क्लॉकवाइज होना चाहिए। हाँ, ये होगा तुम्हारा इंटरनल स्टैंडर्ड्स का।
वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज क्लॉकवाइज क्या मतलब है?
बालक ये
By
क्लॉकवाइज है।
default, it will rotate in clockwise direction. Your peristaltic probe.
ओके।
Okay.
ठीक है,
So you can do it in
और-
any position.
और ये है
No.
तुम्हारा,
It is doing clockwise.
हाँ
So
ये क्लॉकवाइज है,
हाँ
so your
ये-
samples are here. So you want to take it.
हाँ.
It will rotate like this. So I can.
हाँ, that is okay. I mean, so I can put it like this only. ना?
मतलब देखो ये है, ये यहाँ से सक करेगा, ठीक है, तो ये क्लॉकवाइज मूव कर रहा है तो ये कैसे रहेगा, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए।
हाँ
बात समझ रहे हो? अब जैसे मान लो ये है, ये यहाँ से सक करेगा,
हाँ।
ठीक है, तो ये कैसे लगेगा, ये चीज़ ऐसे,
सही है तो तो सिंपल
हाँ
ठीक है?
सिंपल थिंग है।
नहीं, ये कंफ्यूज करता है कभी कोई चीज़ें, ठीक है, ये तुम्हारा सिंपल हुआ, ठीक, देन इसको सिंपल ऐसे बंद करो, ये सब चीज़ें टाइट करो यहाँ पे, ठीक है अरविंद। सेकंड थिंग, वी हैव डन दिस लूपिंग कनेक्शन, देन आफ्टर दैट
What you have to do is you have to lock it.
lock it and
Lock it with the just hand tight only.
Okay.
Not you can press, but you have to make sure it has been tightened.
ठीक है,
So once you finish that, remove this.
हाँ वो
First unscrew it and then take the lock out.
okay, it's fine, then just wait a minute, then we have done this, then after that
Okay.
we will go
Once
to
you
the
first finish this, but before starting your ICPMS, what you have to do is just give only one connection, not with any internal standard line. With connect the drain line.
Okay.
First your sample line. What you have to do is take with your Milicu or sorry your
Okay.
1% nitric acid and dip your first thing. You have to dip this probe in a sample tube into the sample. Okay.
sample tube.
Sample
wait
tube.
a minute, this is for the
Sample.
sample na, we just have to remove this, then
Dip it.
dip it and then start the plasma,
Yes.
and when we start the plasma then automatically it will start rotate,
Yes.
it will take
This thing-
1% nitric acid to
Just for the rinse off.
rinse off, it will take approx,
Take for some 5 to 10 minutes.
okay,
Actually, once the instrument got stable,
Hmm.
it will show that operate, and then after leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then immediately change your. But with the 5 to once it got operate, what you can do is put it in the your what is called 1 ppb tune B solution. Okay, and wait for the counts arriving here.
एक मिनट, just open this software,
So first what you can do is first go for the instrumental control.
okay,
First go with the instrumental control. Open this. First check for its vacuum. In your vacuum, it needs to be a turbo pump supply current around it should be less than 1.5 in standalone mode, means, in the standby mode, and turbo pump speed is around 1000. Okay, and your penning pressure needs to be 10 power minus 7, at least 10 power minus 7. Now it can be less than 10 power minus 7. So it is 10 power minus 8, it is okay. And then go for RF generator. Here it has to show around 0.5 to 0.2, 0.6. It will show you this value once you switch on the exhaust. Just before igniting the plasma, you have to switch on the exhaust first and the chiller. Okay? If you just switch on the thing and you can get this value. It should be around 0.5 to 0.8.
okay,
Okay? This is your plasma
then
exhaust.
then
If it is fine, then you can move further.
then if it is fine, then we just
Just
simply dip this
dip
and
this.
just on the plasma.
Yes. Once before switch off the chiller, wait for some 10 minutes to stabilize the chiller. It has to show 20 degrees Celsius. Then only it will allow your plasma to ignite.
Okay, then I will switch on
Or
this.
otherwise it will show you the error that cool gas flow is not there.
Here na.
Here,
It
cool
will-
gas
it will
flow,
show
it will
it.
show any error message here.
Then
Okay?
after this, I will
You
switch
can switch on the plasma.
Then
Keep it there. Once you click on this run, then only all your analyze. That time only it will allow your ions to pass through the quarter tube.
okay, just wait a minute. When I will switch on the plasma, then at that time
You have to
dip
just-
it
yes.
for next 5 minutes.
That's fine.
Okay, then after that,
After that, take out this and put the tube in
Tube
the
solution.
solution
then
and
then
click
I
on
will
run.
Okay,
That time you need to get your counts at for uranium minimum 3 lakh count, for uranium around 2,50,000 counts. So that time you will be getting counts. But even though you are getting counts, every time first go with the auto tube.
Okay.
First tune your instrument and then go for your analysis.
Okay. When I will connect give a auto tune tune B solution, it will give a
Counts. Once you click on the run.
run. Then how I will get the auto tune results?
Yes. For auto tune, what you do, you click on auto tune.
Okay.
Put the same solution.
Or
Here auto tune
tune B.
Tune B.
Okay.
Go for auto tune wizard. Run an existing auto tune sequence, and then next. Here it is IITK manual standard.
Okay.
Click on this, and then next. Okay. Then you place the sample probe into the solution and place next. Just click only next. It will automatically do all the corrections.
You start the tuning.
Solution, and then it will complete your tune.
Okay.
Okay, and then it will give you whether it is you are getting achieving correct or not. That time also you can able to see whether your uranium counts and everything. It will automatically generate the report also.
Okay. Next thing, have you find any kind of difficulty with the tune B solution? When you run the instrument with the tune B?
Yes, sometimes you can't be able to achieve this.
Then
So again go with auto tune.
Okay.
Okay. That time it will go.
This is again with the auto tune and then auto tune
Auto tune wizard. Run an
then-
existing auto tune sequence. Next IITK manual standard,
Okay.
and then next.
Okay. Then it will give me the auto tune.
Yes, it will make the auto tune. To achieve, it will adjust your position of the torch and
Okay.
R of the generator, R of and then what you call it, a volt.
Okay.
That will adjust, and then that will give you exact counts to get minimum that count.
Okay.
It will give you.
Then it's fine.
Once
Then-
it's fine, then finish it that your instrument is ready to move on.
Okay.
So before that, you first start up the instrument not without connecting the auto sampler.
Okay. So now.
With the auto sampler, right? And one more thing you can also check before starting the instrument, get the auto sampler here. For this, what you have to do is first always with experimental configuration with IITK manual, we have two options: IITK with manual, IITK with the auto sampler. This is the default position. See, first your experimental configuration.
Wait a minute. If I'm going to use without the tray, we will go with the ITK manual.
IITK manual.
Okay.
Okay. If you click on the IITK manual, you can't get any control on this.
Okay.
Okay. So we had another mode called IITK with auto sampler. Another mode called ICAP Q plus IC 5000 for the IC.
Okay.
If you want to connect IC with IC PMS, you have to go for this mode. If you want to do it manually, go for IITK manual. If you want to connect with auto sampler, IITK with auto sampler.
Okay, definitely.
Okay. Just go for IITK with the auto sampler now. And we are not going to, before starting the instrument, first check your auto sampler is working or fine, whether it is taking the sample or not. Here you can go for the CTAX.
Okay.
You don't need to even switch on the plasma also.
Okay.
Without that, just switch on the auto sampler from the back. So here you can get the control over here. Okay. So what you can do is you can, and one more thing, you can rotate the pump by manually, but it won't take your sample at that much. You have to pass the nebulizer gas to get your sample is working or not.
Okay.
Okay. For that, what you can do is, without igniting the plasma, put your sample probe into any of the solution. I'm asking, suppose it is having some water. I'm asking to come to the vial position 1. It will be dipped here. So go for your manual. ICAP Q here. So here you can go for your inlet system. Here I'm having peristaltic pump. And just click on the enable. Pump will rotate, so that will take your sample. Okay, but that is not the only force taking your sample. You need to pass that flow, because your nebulizer flow is only because of the nebulizer gas.
Definitely.
So what you can do is go for the gas flow. Click on nebulizer gas flow. Here it is a nebulizer flow. You can change it to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, like that.
And up to how much?
Up to 0.3, 0.4, that's fine. So you can assure that your sample is coming out of this probe, whether probe is working fine or not.
Okay.
First ensure this. Once you are saying that your sample is reaching, coming out of all of this, immediately again bring down it to 0.
Okay.
Because you manually made it.
Okay.
So that time your argon gases flow through this.
Okay.
So without igniting the plasma, you can able to check whether your auto sampler is running fine or not.
Okay. Definitely.
Okay. If you switch on the plasma, automatically there is a gas flow will be there, so it will take your sample. So before going switch on the plasma, first check the auto sampler whether it is working fine or not.
Okay.
Okay, and before switching on the instrument, take out this knob and put the drain and everything into your sample 1% nitric acid solution, and then ignite the plasma, and then you can try to get your maximum counts. If you are not, then go for the auto tune, and then you will be getting.
One more thing. Each and every time when we open the instrument, then we have to do with the TNB solution.
Yes, every time you have to go with the TNB solution. Every time you have to do the auto tune.
Auto tune. Okay.
Okay, thereby you can estimate your results will be good.
Okay.
If you are not getting 3 lakh counts for uranium, actually your instrument is somewhat at maybe we don't know.
Okay.
You can't get the exact results.
Then after this,
Okay, once you done that,
one more thing. For the ICBMS, what do we select for the STD or what will we select?
usually we will go with the STD mode, standard mode.
Usually for
For
ICBMS.
any of the analysis, we are going for standard mode, not any AED mode.
Okay.
Okay, we will go with the standard mode only.
Okay.
If you want to go for AED mode or RCD reaction mode, okay,
Always we will go with the standard mode. Na?
always we will go with the standard mode.
Okay. Then after this,
It should be always like that. Actually, in this panel, control panel, you have to go with only with the vacuum to check these values: spinning pressure,
Okay, huh.
turbo speed, and this, and go for the RF generator to check for this plasma exhaust, and you are not going to deal anything from here. Suppose you want to manually, suppose sometime you lost the control of the machine, you want to stop the your peristaltic pump. Go for the inlet system. Sometimes it may happen, and stop your peristaltic pump. Enable and disable.
okay.
Okay, we can able to do that.
One more thing. If I will, if I want to do for the IC, similar method we have to open that for the counting for the tune
Yes.
solution.
Before
for
starting
auto
off your IC, first check the IC first. Then. Whether IC is working fine or not, first check the IC.
tune. Okay.
You know how to check the IC.
Yeah.
Okay, and then first do with that, and then come to the ICPMS and achieve your count.
Okay.
Then connect this line with the ICPMS.
Okay. Just like that.
And remove this part, remove this thing, and connect it with this.
Okay. Wait a minute. I was trying to do this.
No, don't do that. It is the part. What you have to do is, actually some dust will come and clog this. What you can do is just take a ziplock cover and then do that.
This one.
This one is replaced by this. And actually the thing is, it will, no, then don't do that now, right now. Actually we will take out this and then we will do that.
Sorry.
What you have to do is, actually for take out this, you know how to take out this, then it's just a push and take.
Push and pull. Huh.
Just push, take it out, and or rather you can take the whole assembly, not this part. Okay, take out this nebulizer and now connect your pin to this, because otherwise it will be rotating. You can't able to connect this part with this. Okay,
Okay. It's
now
fine,
you
fine.
can able to connect this.
Okay. It's fine.
Remove it, and now actually for this you can able to do that. Still ensure that it is going.
But first of all, connect this now.
Nebulizer is so costly. First, don't troubleshoot anything, but automatically it will work fine. If it is not working, then only you are going for troubleshooting.
See this? See, it's okay fine, no?
You can't able to plug it up unless you pushed it and then. Okay. then comes this folder C, and just to take a cover and cover this part. Otherwise, fine dust will go and block all this.
Okay. Then after that,
This is all about the
once we have got the count and the auto tune, then auto sampler is working. Then after that,
This is rinsing, na?
yeah.
just click on the home, it will come to the home.
Okay.
So okay, that's all about this part.
Hmm.
Nothing to do with any instrumental configurations or something.
Okay.
And then go for your Qtograph.
Qtograph.
Here only you are creating your lab book. First, suppose you want to create a new lab book, click new lab book. I'm giving one name, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, my name. And before actually always create a new template. Suppose for the reaction mode you don't know, just go for and click that, make that template. And always do go with equant mode.
Equant, ठीक है.
Okay, and tcon for IC with ICPM, time based quantification.
Okay, Tcon for IC.
IC with ICPM,
Okay.
time based quantification. Equant is also having something.
Okay.
And Aquant is for if you are using method of additions, then go for Aquant, and usually you will go the Equant.
Equant for ICBMS, Tcon for
IC
with
with
ICBMS.
Create a lab book.
Okay.
Okay, first select all your elements.
Okay.
Okay, and go for the acquisition parameters.
parameter.
Suppose I'm saying iron, cobalt, copper, zinc.
This is
Okay,
important.
go for the acquisition parameters.
Okay.
Here it is dwell time change to 0.05.
Why?
Now actually dwell time we are changing to 0.05.
What is the meaning of dwell time?
That much time will allow you for the
Okay,
machine
okay,
to
okay.
take the
It
readings.
means we have to fix it 0.05.
0.05.
Okay.
That means seconds that will take your reading for particular element.
Okay.
And you don't need to, suppose you want to measure it in standard mode or KD mode, here you can mention it.
But for the ICBMS, we always go with the STD mode.
ICPMS, actually there you don't need to have, once you got the control over here, that is nothing in that, whether it is in standard mode or KD mode, you don't take, it will take the control.
But,
Qtograph will take the control of that.
Okay,
Just
but-
only instrumental control is there. Okay.
but the main building block is for the
We are
ICBMS.
usually go with standard
Standard
mode,
mode.
not any KD mode. Okay. Suppose you want to do thing in KD mode, go click for KD mode, otherwise leave it.
Okay.
There is no monitor here. Uptake and watch time is the same. We don't need to change anything.
Okay. Service
No,
can listen.
nothing. Interference correction, no.
What is this? Interference correction?
No,
we have
we
to do
are not.
anything?
No.
Okay.
And go for the standards.
Okay.
First click on the set default concentration. Suppose I am having 10 ppb. Click OK and click on new. Click on your elemental standard. You can give some standard name and standard description. Suppose is 10 ppb. And for please click on the create standard using analyte list. If you are not doing this, it won't pick your analytes what you have selected in the previous analytes.
Okay.
You have selected some 4 elements that will appear here.
Okay.
If you are not done that, nothing will come over here. You have to click on manually.
Okay.
And also you are having the option, suppose I don't want to do this here, take it out from here, or you can add from here, just you can add also here.
One more thing.
And one more thing, suppose your element is not present in your concentration is 0 1 10 5 50. For 0 1 1 you are not having zinc, 5 and 10 you are having zinc. But even though you have to select 0 and 10, 0 and 1, click zinc also and make it as 0 for that concentrations. If you are not selecting zinc for 1 and 2 and selecting zinc for other standards, you are not able to get the countings. Instrument won't take as a reading. It won't look for those elements.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine.
You are having some few elements in few standards, but even though you have to click those elements for all the standards and make it a 0 which it is not present.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Okay.
And quantification, come over here, and if you are using internal standards, then only you go for this. Use this quantification mode, otherwise you don't need to use this.
Okay.
Okay. And go for the CTAX. Here you can sorry, not
CTAX timing is okay. 30-30.
no. This is 60-60. You have to change it to watch time 60, uptake time 60. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
60-60, and that's it. And go for the sample list. go add another something.
One more thing. Suppose there is a sample number 1, then in between sample number 1 and sample number 2, we have to do a rinse process, or it will automatically do?
Automatically it will rinse the tube.
Okay.
Before going for the next sample, it will go for the rinse probe. It will take the rinse water from here and it will flush all the lines.
Okay.
Okay. Then only go for your second sample. So you don't need to put any rinse in between the samples.
Okay.
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 Well, first what you can do is just start with the blank rinse and go with the blank because you are running Tune B for some long time. So go with the first rinse.
Wait a minute. Rinse.
Go with the rinse.
Rinse is simply a blank, na?
Simply a blank.
1%
And what
nitric
we
acid.
are doing is 1% nitric acid only. The same diluent you are used for is making the standards. Prepare some more that blank and put it in one tube, centrifuge tube. Keep it that only for rinse
Okay.
and protect your standard 0 as a blank.
Okay.
Okay. The same water only, but you are keeping this as a standard 0. Just only you are going to use it for. You are going to treat it as the same as like standards.
Okay.
You are going to run once.
Okay.
Okay, and then go for standard 0.
Standard 0.
Standard 0 or blank. You can name it like blank
Okay.
or something.
Status.
No need to do anything on the status. Don't go for any survey runs. Only go for main runs. Main runs give 3 runs.
Okay. It means it will take 3 times.
3 times the readings. Okay, for all the values.
One more thing. When we was doing with the IC, we for some elements we have taken a 1 as a survey run. What was that?
No need to do for the survey run. No. Actually, that time this may be unknown sample. We want to try what are the elements coming out of that. So that time we gone for 1. Don't do any survey runs.
But survey run as a 1, what it means?
It will go for look for all the elements it can able to identify.
Okay. And survey 0 means it means selected elements we can
No,
find out.
it won't go for any survey.
Okay.
Okay.
Comment.
If you want to do that, please do always go with the commands. So later on you will forget about things.
Okay.
Describe your samples or anything you can do with the commands.
This is
No, actually rinse is always an unknown.
unknown.
Only.
Okay.
And for the standard 0,
STD.
no, it is as a blank.
Okay, standard 0 means 1% nitric acid.
1% nitric acid.
Okay.
And you don't need to mention it as a standard. You can here also you can there is no need to mention this. It will click on the blank. It will take it as a blank standard 0.
Okay.
And go with their rack position and vial positions.
Rack. Okay. This is
This is the standard rack.
for the standards, and this is for the sample.
You can do use anything. Actually, usually we go with all the standards are kept.
This is standard 1.
This is the rinse. Keep your blank here and then go with your standards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Okay. And this is also called as the rack. This is called standard rack. Rack number 1, rack 2, rack 3, rack 4. Actually, you are not allowed to choose rack 1 here. So go before coming to come for the syntax. Come for the syntax. Here rack 1 is empty. Go for the we are having 60 well rack. Okay. Fill in the rack. Then come to the sample list. Now you can able to go with rack number 1.
Okay. This is rack number 1, na?
That is called standard rack.
This is called standard rack.
Standard rack. This is called rack number 1.
Standard rack 1.
Vial number 1.
Vial number 1. Okay. Vial 2. ठीक है.
Okay. Go with these things. After finishing your standards, go for 1 rinse because at the last you have run some highest standard. So you can go.
What
with
about
1
running
rinse.
check standards?
First I'm telling. First go with your rinse and then you can start your samples. Just go for only 10 samples first and then go for 1 rinse and put 2 check standards.
Okay.
Okay. You can choose standard 3 or standard 5 in between. And then again put 1 rinse and then go for your samples.
Okay.
So with the standard values and if you are running standards as a check standards, you can able to know whether you are
Acha, Arvind, in between
whether any instrument.
adding another rinse here.
No, actually the time it has reaches the detector, the rinse will go for only flushing the lines, not your. Actually the thing is going to your quadrupole to the detector. First will pass through the quadrupole and then to the detector. We need to flush those things also.
Acha. That's why we have to give
Some
a-
still some carryover will be there.
Okay.
So to flush out that we are doing that.
Then after this,
Once you complete your standards, then go for the rinse, then go for 10 samples, and then rinse again 2 standards, and then again rinse, and then go for the samples.
Okay.
At the end, don't forget to run samples. Suppose you are finishing with some 20 samples, make one rinse, and then run your 2 standards or 3 standards, and then go for at the final, end with the standards, and then again with the rinse.
Okay.
2 or 3 rinses it is necessary to clean your lines and also
2-3 rinse,
2-3
then standard.
only at the last just finish up your samples, run 1 rinse and go for 2 standards or 3 standards, and then you are going to finish up this, so finally go with 2 rinse.
Okay.
So last
After-
sample, 1 rinse, 2 state standard, another 2 or 3
2
rinse.
3 rinse, that's it.
After doing all these things, we have to just
Save
save
it.
it and then run
Then
it.
click it
Then click in this run
and then come for the scheduler.
scheduler. This one.
This one it will become
ये मतलब
Sir, मैं पकड़ूं क्या?
ठीक है.
We have to go here.
We have to go for the save mode.
Then-
Okay. It will save all the logbook. Then we go for the this is run mode. This one.
Mode, okay.
Then this is for the scheduler. It is also indicating a run mode.
Scheduler.
Okay. Then it will start analysis.
Okay.
Okay.
that's all. It automatically complete your steps.
This is ICPMS.
Go forward.
I will go for
And then wait for some minutes, and then you can switch off your plasma. Okay, that's it.
This is fine.
Okay, for the IC part, first switch on the pump first, and then what you can do is just open this part. Before that, going for this, fill it with the clean all these bottles, fill the milk and
But we only need this bottle, na?
only we need this bottle, but for the flushing we need milk. We are using milk here.
Okay.
Okay, first initial flushing and something we are having milk here, and always connect your bottles with A channel or
A
here
channel.
channel A, channel B is
This
specified.
is A
You
channel.
can connect any channel, but we have to mention. So by default you can go with the A channel.
There is a ABCD channel.
A, B, C, D
It
channel
means
are
4
there.
bottles. What is this?
This is called union.
This is called union, na?
Union.
And
This is our column.
Is column.
Okay, once you finish up your analysis, just take out the column from the thing. சொல்றேன் இங்க லேப்ல இருக்குங்க. சரிங்க சரி முடியாது. Give me 2.
Okay. Menak, always note one point. Okay, if you have replaced the bottle, then it will contain some air bubbles. Okay, then you have to remove the air bubbles through this. What was that? Union. Okay.
How to remove?
Just how we remove the air bubbles?
Before to go for prime, go for switch on the instrument first.
I have switch on the IC pump and IC matrix.
You switch on it.
I already opened it. And go for this, na? Temperature reading.
I think if you switch on it, automatically it will come now.
It is not opening. Pause कर.
कुछ नहीं होगा
Pause हो जाएगा ना?
कुछ नहीं होगा
सीधा pause होता तो है. No man. अबे इसको क्या कर रहा है? एक सेकंड हट भाई.
दिखाना है जो दिखाना है
एक सेकंड.
यह स्विच है क्या
हाँ स्विच है बाबा स्विच है. Just wait a second. What you have done, Arvind?
It will come to this person.
How will it come? What was that?
No, you don't have any.
Okay. For this, I just want. Okay. They will set something for this. Just first of all close it.
first open, stop it, close it.
Close.
Okay, first what you have to do is
Manak.
for the first starting is switch on all the IC switches. Just click on the hidden icon bar. Come for the Chromeleon. Just right click it, is open and then start.
Start.
What is this Chromeleon?
Chromeleon. Okay.
Chromeleon.
And then minimize it and then go for the Chromeleon software. Then now it will open.
Okay.
Okay. And here you don't need to do anything. Just minimize it. Go for the instrumental control. Go for your experiment configurator and then go with iCap with ICQZ.
iCap it
With IC 5000.
Okay.
Okay.
तुमने वो previous वाला record किया? वो वाला ज़्यादा important.
Now here we can get the Chromeleon
Okay.
and here go with your auto sampler. Here
Okay.
you can get this control. Right click is actually now you are having all the control over here. You can also just if you want to go for this tray to front for the green, you can click.
And tray will
Tray will come over here. Okay, all this from here.
Two times. अच्छा okay.
Yeah, what is this mid section, in section?
Wait a second. Arvind, we have done something else, na monitor only.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Usually now you have taken out. Now you are having the control. If
Okay.
you don't want to have the control, right click it, click on the monitor. Just it will only monitor.
Okay.
You don't have any control. But if you want to change anything, right click it, take out that. Now you have the control.
Okay.
Before going in this, just click on the gradient pump.
Mm-hmm.
Just first connect with your union.
No, wait a minute. Wait a second. When we change the bottle, then for the removal of
Removal
air
of
bubble.
air. First, what you can do is just first. Actually, once you finish the thing, just remove your column from this line and connect the union before leaving the experiment or starting the experiment. Just ensure that it is connected with the union. It is not necessary, it can also have the column with it, but no problem. If it is having the union, that is good. Then open this pump, actually, it has to be switched on. Open this. Here what you can do is just
Losing the knob.
before that you are using this, just change the molecule. Okay, with 1 week or 2 week.
Okay.
Just change the
It's
molecule.
also-
Before going for your
That is
experiment,
also 1% acid.
no, it's only pure molecule.
Pure molecule.
Pure molecule only. Okay. Don't need to-
For the removal of air, na, we
Yes,
have to
yes,
loosen
yes.
this. Na?
Yes. Before that, what you have to do is go for your prime control here, and it will suggest you that remove that knob. Means
It will suggest.
it will give you an indication.
You try.
Wait a second.
Wait.
Isn't it?
No man.
You click here. Man.
If you want to click here,
Click it. Click it. Click it.
no man, it will go
We
for
can't
that.
do na. It will start working na फिर then.
So it will give you indication that lose this knob. So what you can do is just lose this knob.
What did it call? This knob name? No. Okay.
Okay, just lose this knob, and
Where is the indication of this?
no, if you
When
click on
you
that,
will,
then
when
that
you
will.
will click on this prime off, it will automatically give you an indicator that loosen the knob.
No, what is that indicator?
It will come.
It will show you a pop-up. Okay.
It will come. Okay. One more thing. We have to.
No, just first finish
Okay.
up this. Once you done with that, actually it will take some 5 to 6 the air bubbles from here. And once you done that, prime is okay. Just again close the knob.
Okay.
Then only it will allow the water to pass through your column. Okay. Even though if it is not connected with the column, if you connect with the column, no problem. Just lose this knob. Then that high pressure won't go with your column. That will flush off your lines. And once you've done that, again lock it.
Tighten it.
Nothing we have to do with this. Then change your column. And before that also you can flush. Click on the flow control and start it from 0.
Zero.
Once it's 0, just click on the thing and start it from 1, 0.2, 0.3, maximum to 0.4.
नहीं, for the chromium.
Stepwise.
नहीं, we will increase it gradually, but for the chromium we will go up to 0.4.
0.4.
For arsenic we will
Arsenic it is
go
0.5. Okay. Then go with that. Okay, maximum 0.4. Wait for some time to flush all these lines, and then close it. And then you don't need to have the control over here. Click on this. Just then load your samples, and then go for monitoring. That's it from the part of Chromeleon here.
Acha, how to load a sample?
Now the tray is here, just load it. That's it.
Red.
This one. Go to the auto sampler. Okay. वहाँ पे दिखाओ. If you click on this
Okay.
tray to front.
Tray. Okay.
Tray to front. Then
One. Okay. Then.
तुम्हारा वो खुद ही सामने आ जाएगा वो.
Click करके देखो.
हो गया आ गया.
Oh.
ठीक है.
Green is coming, man.
इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है. Nothing left.
Thing you have to do.
Then
Just before going to that, take only monitor
only.
and then that remaining part that will do with your Qtegra software. Suppose you want to run the IC, you have opened the Qtegra software. Again go for the lab books.
Same process.
Same process, give the name, but you can go with the existing mode lab book. Just click on this and you can get a
For the IC.
yes.
Why?
January 2016 we have done some Chromium speciation or speciation. Suppose you are going with, where is only arsenic is there, where is chromium? Suppose I am going with arsenic.
Chromium we have done on
Okay.
this. हाँ जो भी.
Okay, just click OK,
Okay.
and now you are going to create a new lab book and you are going to prepare for arsenic, or if you want to prepare, go with the chromium speciation. Okay, and if you click this, don't need to anything, just click lab book. Okay, the name is the same, so I will go with 8999. Okay, just create lab book.
One more thing. For the IC, also we will choose STD mode.
IC only in KD mode.
IC only KD.
Only in KD mode.
Okay.
Okay, it will come with the earlier template. Just delete all these things. Just you don't need to, for arsenic you don't need to change anything. Just go with the same thing. You don't need to acquisition parameters change anything. You don't need to do anything. Retention time same thing. Everything are the same. Go with the standards. Only you have to fill up with the standards. Change the standards. Don't need to do anything here. Just go for the Chromeleon. Okay. Here go for the wizard first. Okay. Use the set temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Go for the next, and you can, if you want to name the solvent, name A, because we have connected the channel A with your sample, means with your element. Don't need to give anything here. Go for the next. This is, you don't need to give anything here. Don't need to give anything here. Don't need to. And here you need to go for the acquisition time.
Okay.
It is not 30 minutes. You have to go with some 4 minutes only for the 4 minutes for the arsenic.
4 minutes.
For the arsenic, 3 minutes for the 3 minutes for chromium. Okay. Here you are giving to give 4 minutes. Okay. Then click on next. Click next. Finish. Okay. And from here you have to delete these 2 red commands
Red comments.
from here. Don't do
Otherwise,
other ones.
you will go on the standard mode.
Okay, and then go for the sample list. List all your sample as like whatever you are doing here. And one more thing we are going to
Wait. Sample is STD mode.
sample all the things in, actually it will go, okay, they are running in STD mode, it has to be in standard. No, here it is sample type now.
Okay.
It is a standard, they are naming it as a standard.
Okay.
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 And here you can say that all the things are in your, I think it will go with only with this your KD mode only. Okay, it won't go for any. And one more thing you have to change, you don't need to change this. Here it is 240
Okay.
because we have given 4 minutes. That has to be matched with this duration. Okay, ensure that. Rest of the things are the same. Just click on this, automatically. It will change.
Just wait a minute. Where is the lab book?
This is the lab book.
New lab book. If I want to.
This is the new lab book.
No,
I have not changed anything here.
If I want to see the previous analysis.
Just home page, click on the home page, above, top one.
I'm just checking in last one January, na?
2016.
6. What was the last one? Arsenic, na? I just want to see one thing. We have selected एक minute.
Actually, it has not evaluated that sheet, so that's why I'm not getting anything here.
What about
Click on this 22. Right here. Okay, this is all about this. Okay. For arsenic and chromium, you are not going to change anything. Only the standards and the sample list you are going to change. Everything are the same. Okay.
one more thing? Yeah, एक चीज और थी. We have okay. And what about the reaction mode? Reaction mode?
Reaction mode and that thing for